Hi everyone, welcome to TMT Tips with Taylor Mobile Tutoring. My name is Donia. Today we have tip number 29, simplifying radical expressions. This little diddle right there is a radical, and this is the expression that we will be simplifying. Keep in mind that because there is no equal sign anywhere, we're not going to be solving for anything. We're just going to be breaking this down and making it smaller. So whenever we see a radical sign and we don't see a number here, our root is always 2. If it's 3, 4, 5, 11, 12, anything bigger, it'll always be written here. But if there's nothing there, it's always going to be a root of 2. So we're going to write the 2 here just for the sake of our example. And what that 2 is telling us is how many numbers or variables have to be in each group in order for us to remove it from the radical, because it's going to cancel out. So we're going to break down each of these terms into smaller terms and figure out what is already in groups of 2 that we can take out of the radical expression. So we're going to rewrite this. We're going to leave our 2. So if we break down the number 9, it is 3 times 3. So we're going to go ahead and write that. And I'll put things in parentheses just to keep them separate. Now x to the 5th is telling me that I have 5 x's total, so I'm going to write out all 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because if I multiply these, I will get x to the 5th. I'm going to go down below just so I can continue with the rest of my variables. Y to the 4th means I have 4 y's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And z to the 2nd means I have 2 z's. 1, 2. Now, since my root is 2, I need to take things that are in groups of 2 out of the radical. So I see a group of 2 with my 3's. I see a group of 2, a group of 2. That one's by itself, so it has to stay. A group of 2, a group of 2, and a group of 2. So now we need to decide, well, not decide, now we need to write our groups of 2 outside of the radical, and anything that we did not circle has to stay within the radical. So I have a 3, 2 x's, 2 y's, and a z, and inside my radical I just have this x by itself. Now we're going to simplify these a little bit further, and we're going to add our exponents. So our 3 is fine. X times x is x squared. Y times y is y squared. And our z is fine by itself. Left inside the radical, we still just have the x. So this would be our simplified answer of this beginning radical expression that we started with here at the top. So there we have simplifying radical expressions. As always, if you have any suggestions or topics that you'd like us to cover and make a tutorial video about, please just let us know. Otherwise, thanks for joining us and have a great day.